Where are you going?
I'm going to learn about manufacturing at Worslet in Bradford, PA.
Can't wait to hear about it. Have fun.
Bye.
Position here at Worslet is I am president of Worslet of America. It took 5 years with this company.
What is the most popular product produced at Worslet?
Tabletops. Worslet, if you go anywhere in the world and say the name Worslet, it's always going to come back to tabletops. That's what Worslet's best known for.
What is your current position and how did you get started in this corporation?
My current position is the accounting manager, and I started in this position as just like a data entry clerk back in 2006, so I've been here for 12 years. The thing that I do is I take a look at all the invoices and the receipts that we have that went out the day before. Then I take care of the banking accounts. I also do all the ordering of raw materials, so at that point I usually do that.
Does Worslet use local resources in the manufacturing process?
We always, no matter what we're doing, we always try to look local first. The biggest resource that we need for our product is wood, and we do primarily use local resources for that. We use Pennsylvania hardwood.
What products are produced at Worslet?
Okay, we make a variety of products, mostly tabletops, gasket lids. We make round tabletops. We make probably 50 to 60 different colors and variations on plugs, paper plugs. One more product called a Crino table. It's been here a couple of years. It's new. It's laminate paper. They make all different sizes. Got a router machine, CNC machine that cuts the tables out to what size we want, shape, different edges.
Check out these awesome printers. They can even print your photo onto a tabletop.
Awesome! What do you like most about working at Worslet?
Lots of people here, nice people here, work here. Manufacturing guy, we make nice stuff.
That's a wrap on
What's so cool about